Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Wednesday, 23rd March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. But before that, I would like to request you please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 karat gold, the without VAT price is 233 dirham and with VAT price is 244.65. For 22 carats gold, the 1 gram price without VAT is 218.75 and with VAT is 229.69. For 21 carats without VAT price is 208.75 and with VAT is 219.19. Last but not the least, for the 18 carats gold, the without VAT price is 179 and with VAT is 187.95. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if you find this information useful to you, please press the like button and share this information with your friends so that everyone gets updated. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.